Mzansi sisebrakpan manje amakarnabela ngibele ne-information bathi kunenye indawo bathi kuse-Greenstone kune-Greenstone yala ebrakpan ama-gents abhayisa ama-drugs babhayisa i-crystal ne-rock vana borhata zivana ama-anti-crime units and asilali fundiswe wani ukubhayisa ama-drugs Stoka ku. Ubani ngifuna igama. Bani? Taras. Uhlala kuphi Taras? Okay. Igama Taras ntona amasuka la siya ku Taras. Khipha manje uzibekela izakho. Ufuna ngibambisa ama-drugs. Ubuyelele izandla zokubamba ama-drugs. Uraras. I'm sure about choose bakho sebamfonele bamtshela. Na imali yakho mfana usisa kudadas. Boss yakhe na. Mina ama-Springbok ngahlupha. Yini efaka emasendeni wabopha lebhuku kanje? Yeah? Oh, udlala idisc ngapha yasinekisa. Engibona la eSoweto ukuthengisa abafana abancane abanganandaba nesikolo so they resort into selling drugs. And ama-hotman wabo yibo bathengisisa lezi. So asilali namhlanje sekumnyama manje sisiqhubeka sekuraras. Okay, zwakala usigaya izinto nje, khipha izinto la. Kunuka intsango la. Oh, nishavisa intsango nina fa. Intsango. Subs, bize sisileyo. Commander. Lentwana ichekisela la. So kunezinto zakhona kunenyuku ibalekile kunezolo but into emele siyenze amasisetsheni asisetsheni le ndawo na into encane futhi amahotmana lentwana abafundisa ukuthi makungasebenzanga ngesikole kumele wenze crime because lento kuthengisa ama-drugs i-crime so now angazi ukuthi singabazali ukuthi lento sibheka kanjani or sikhulisa abantwana bethu ngendlela enjani but this is very painful. It means direction yethu njengomzansi ayikho yinhle sizobhayisisela but anginafika sicedile ukusipane Soweto siyasuka manje sosipana kwenye indawo kiyo lapha woza stop making ngathi umangele. How are you, Chief? Good. Where is the trucks?
No, trucks. I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping. I just sleep. I don't have trucks.
You don't have trucks with you?
A few moments later.
I wanna your man. Yo sangena. Ay, angila pakulenje. Let's sondela kanti. Open them. Put them down. The chief. No? You must listen. No? Hey. What is this? Is this cat? Yeah? Yeah, this is too small, chief. Yeah? Okay, where's the one that your friends are hiding? Yeah? You see, this thing of doing squats is not right. Not so. That's sebenzekile today. Sincenga the whole day. Sincenga ne law enforcement, vana ama commander. Sizenza sure ukuthi sihlina le ndawo. Moja.